Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online streaming platform known as Boomlive. Okay, I have received a lot of questions concerning the withdrawal option or the withdrawal of this platform. Some people have been asking me, Sparky, how do we withdraw our money from this platform? If we have earned our money, how do we withdraw it? Can we withdraw it to our bank account? Can we withdraw it to our USDT account? These are the questions I have been receiving, and I produce video based on the questions people are asking. So in this video tutorial, for those of you who have been into this platform, earning money or entertaining yourself, by the end of this video, you will actually learn how you can be able to withdraw your earnings from this platform. Okay. But before I proceed with this video, guys, my name is Sparky. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel or first time you are hearing my voice, what I do on this channel is all about business educations. I share business updates, online jobs that one can actually do with smartphone. I do a lot of researches, and when I do those researches, if I find those one I think may be useful, that may be helpful, that can benefit us, I do bring the update here to share it to the world, to share my own personal experiences. However, I am not a financial advisor. Okay, so whenever I do my own research, I also ask others or viewers, you are also advised to also do your own researches, because I might bring updates and say that this update have paid me, and okay, if they pay me does not mean they are going to pay you. So it's always advisable for viewer to also or always conduct researches on any platform you come across at all. Okay, so before I proceed to show you guys how to actually place your withdrawal from this platform, I will first of all define what this platform is all about. Let me briefly explain it for those of you who are watching this video, or those of you who are hearing about this platform for the first time, or those of you who don't know what this platform is basically all about. Boomlive is the name of this platform, and Boomlive is an online streaming platform just like TikTok, Popo Live, Nikki Live, etc. Is an online streaming platform where one can actually stream to either make money or to either entertain him or herself. So this is a multi-purpose streaming platform. You can decide that okay, I want to entertain myself on this platform. I am bored and I want to entertain myself. So you can actually come to the platform just like the way you go to TikTok to watch short video. You can come to streaming what other people are doing on the platform. You can either join the platform to make money or to entertain yourself. So that is what this platform is basically all about. Now, does this platform involve someone investing money? No, it doesn't. It is a streaming platform, like I said, just like TikTok. If you go to TikTok to watch video, you don't pay money unless you want to gift people. And that is how it is. If you are making money on this platform, when you open your panel and people like what you are doing, they come to gift you. Okay, people gift you. Those gifts they are giving you can actually be converted to real cash and withdraw to your either bank account or any of your USDT account, depending on the exchange you are using, which is the main reason why I am making this video, to show you guys how to go about the withdrawal. Okay, so this is how to withdraw. Now this is how the homepage of this platform look like. You can see related, you can see home, you can see video, you can see game. So click on your profile. So when you click on your profile, you can see the option of wallet, transaction wallet. The one you should click is on my wallet. Now when you click on my wallet, there are two options there. They have the Bitcoins, they have the B stars. Now the Bitcoin are the one you use in gifting people. Please take note. Bitcoin are the one you use in gifting people, and then the B star is the one that is withdrawable. How can you accumulate this B star? You accumulate this B star when you are streaming live and people gift you. Do you understand? So that is how you earn these B stars. Okay, and you can also earn it when you do tasks, like when you stream on the platform also reward you for streaming on the platform. So how do you withdraw it? Now when you come to B-Star, you click on B-Star, click on withdraw. Please take note, you can withdraw with your Nigeria bank account. If you're in Nigeria, you can withdraw with your Nigeria bank account. Okay, so you can see the option of payee currency. Come to this place to choose your currency. If you want to withdraw, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Kenya, so you can click on USD or USDT on NGN. So if you're in Nigeria, you just click on NGN. Then you can come to, you see this option here, PalmPay. If you want to use PalmPay to withdraw, you will see the option of bind here. You click on bind here. If it is normal bank transfer, you see the option of bind here. For example, let's say you want to withdraw it with this thing with Access Bank, Diamond Bank, GT Bank, etc. Then you click on bind now. When you click on bind now, they are going to bring you an option. Put your name, your last name, your first name, your bank name, your account number. Then click on submit. So after that, you can select it automatically, or you can still use OP. Then you enter the amount you want to withdraw here. Okay. So the minimum withdrawal amount is what? Is $10. So you need to have $10 before you can be able to place your withdrawal on this platform. For those of you who are streaming on the platform, so that is the minimum the platform require you should have before you can actually make your withdrawal. Okay. Now you can see the option here, or you can also come down to read the withdrawal rules. Now this is withdrawal rules. The exchange for B-Star 250,000 B-Star is equivalent to $1, which is 1,578 naira in Nigeria. And then you can see their withdrawal this thing here. You can also see their withdrawal amount and charges. This is withdrawal ratio. For example, if you are withdrawing from $10 to $50, the platform is going to withhold 5%. And if you are withdrawing from $51 to $200, the platform is going to withhold 3%. And if you are withdrawing from $201 and above, the platform will charge you 2%. This simply means that if you are placing withdrawal, if you are withdrawing higher amount, the platform will charge you less. And if you are withdrawing larger, like if you are withdrawing larger amount, the platform charge you less. And if you are withdrawing lesser amount, the platform will charge you high. So that is it. I am not a financial advisor, guys. I cannot tell you to withdraw less or to withdraw low. Okay, the decision depends on you. So that comes to the end of this video. If you have any other question in regard to this platform known as Boomlive, kindly comment below. I'll be there to reply you, and I'll also make the video available for you guys. Don't forget, I say this is an educational channel where we teach business, online business. That's what this channel is all about. I teach business updates here, how to make money online with your smartphone. If you're an online hustler, we teach you how to make money online. That is what I do here on my channel. For those of you who are hearing my voice for the first time. And another question I have also received: is this platform a legitimate platform or a scam platform? Well, with my own experiences on this platform, I have been paid. So that is the reason why I wouldn't say it's a scam or is not. Okay. So the platform has paid me. I have, if I'm not mistaken, I have made over $40 from the platform, from the task and then the streaming. So it is free and it is also legit. Remember, I said I am not doing this video to encourage you to join the platform or to discourage you. So the decision is all yours. And also make sure to conduct your own researches about this platform. For I'm always recommending my viewers, don't just watch video. Always conduct researches. Use YouTube, use Google to conduct researches on any platform at all before you join, because that the platform pays Peter does not mean they are going to pay Paul. So this thing is always necessary. Research is always necessary. I am not a financial advisor, I repeat. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky. Thank you. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with others, because a lot of people have been asking this question: how do we withdraw our earning from this platform? And you may be helping someone today by sharing this video. Thank you, and may God bless you as you share this video.